and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick update on the Chinesium headers that I installed from my previous video. You can check the unboxing of it. Let's get right to it. Here's a quick peek of what they look like installed. Excellent clearance. Zero rub on the steering shaft. Excellent plug clearance. Alright, let's go to the other side. Okay, the other side is a little bit tighter, and this is to be expected for any LT1 motors that are in a 4th gen Fbody. Main concern is the AC line that's underneath the primary tube. Simply wrap it with high heat tape. You're in good shape. The wiring harness that goes along the passenger side body that goes to the starter, O2 sensor, ground, and knock sensor needs to be unhooked and rerouted above the header. What you can't see passenger side is the ABS line that goes from the body to the subframe. Be sure to cover that with high heat tape also. Had to ding the bottom of the passenger side of the header just so it will clear the subframe. I'm not sure if it's due to, this is an old car, due to the sagging motor mounts or the bend, but it was very simple. Couple taps of a hammer, it bolted right in. So I'll have more on this. I'm waiting for some band clamps, and I'll be installing the Y pipe. And then once I install the Y pipe, I'll show you the hole underneath, how everything bolts together, and the final product. Thank you for watching.